Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject EVS, Our Wondrous World, Chapter 3. The Mystery of Food. Food spoilage, the forgotten tiffin box. It was a sunny Monday morning. Disha was a curious girl, always eager to explore things around her. She found the lunch box she had forgotten in school last Friday. There was one of her favorite foods, uttapam, left in it 3 days ago, she remembered. When she opened the box, a foul smell came out of it. Her yummy uttapam had some colored patches. What happened to my uttapam? She wondered. This was a mystery for Disha. Disha was eager to find out what had caused it. Detective Disha was now ready to solve the mysteries of the world around her. Food is an important part of our world. Disha started her enquiry about the food. Mystery number 1. What made my uttapam spoil? As soon as she reached home, Disha ran to her Anna, elder brother in Tamil, Aditya, who was in grade 8. Anna, what are these colored patches on the food? It does not smell good, Disha asked. He looked and smiled. That's mold, Disha. These tiny living things are called microbes, which grew on your food and changed it. Disha inquired, microbes? Are they like little lice? Even smaller, said Anna. So tiny, you need an instrument called a microscope to see them. They are everywhere, all around us. They grow on different things and make changes to them. Some microbes help us in making curd and digesting our food. They also change the taste and smell of the uttapam and other food items. We can see this mold as it is made up of a colony of thousands of microbes. Disha's eyes lit up with curiosity. She quickly noted it down in her notebook. 1. Finding microbes found in soil, water, the air around us, in plants, animals, and inside us. Mystery 2. Why do some foods spoil faster? That afternoon, Disha noticed a slice of bread that she had left on the balcony for a cat that did not come for 2 days. It had colored patches on it, but the pickles her Pati, grandmother in Tamil, had made 2 months ago was still delicious as it was covered with oil. Strange, whispered Disha. Why does some food spoil fast and some last for a long time? She went back to her Anna and asked, what do these microbes need to grow? Anna replied, microbes need moisture, air and the right temperature to grow. If we remove any one of these, we can stop them in their tracks. All life needs water and air to survive. 2. Finding, we need to keep air and water away from the microbes. Food preservation mystery number 3. How do we save our food from spoilage? Detective Disha decided to look for answers at home. Let us observe drying and dehydration. She saw her Amma, mother, and Appa, father, drying chilies on a mat under the sun on the balcony. Why are you drying these, Amma? She asked. To make chili powder. This should last us for the entire year, Amma answered. 3. Finding, drying in the sun removes the moisture from the chilies. Without moisture, microbes cannot grow. Let us observe pickling and oiling in the kitchen. Her Pati was pouring mustard oil into a jar of pickled green mangoes. But why is oil added to the pickle? Disha asked eagerly. Oil stops air from getting in, Pati explained. That keeps the pickles safe. 4. Finding, oil keeps out air and stops the growth of microbes. Let us observe refrigeration and freezing. The next morning, Disha opened the fridge. Milk, vegetables, butter and a cake was stored inside. Fridges make the temperature too cold for microbes to grow, Appa explained. 5. Finding cold temperature slows down microbes. There are many ways to preserve food. Disha's grandfather told her that people used salt, sugar, and spices like pepper to keep food from spoiling. We still use these methods today. 6. Finding there are many ways in which food is being preserved. Anna told Disha that in food factories food is preserved in airtight cans and packaging to keep microbes away from the food. How are idlis made? Disha watched her mother make idlis at home. Can you find out how idlis are made? Is there something that makes the idli batter fluffy? Do you know what it is? 7. Finding microbes in the air help make idli batter rise. Indigestion and home remedies. Aditya Anna has an upset stomach after eating food in a fair. Have your parents given you curd or some product like buttermilk made from it for an upset stomach? There are small microbes in curd that join the good microbes in your stomach to help in digestion. If the problem is severe, you may have to consult a doctor and take medicines. 8. Finding sometimes bad eating habits can also lead to indigestion. Disha's notebook was now full of her findings. My food, my pride. During her investigations, Disha learned that there are many traditional practices related to food being passed on from one generation to another in the family. She made her detective case diary on My Food, My Pride. Let us look at some new entries in Disha's diary and help her complete some of them. A visit to the vegetable market. Tata, grandfather, goes to the vegetable market daily. He buys fresh fruits and vegetables. It was fun to be in the vegetable market with him. Disha observed how he carefully examined the fruits or vegetables at the market before he bought them. The joy of eating seasonal fruits. It was raining. Appa bought lychees on his way home. Disha exclaimed with delight, "Yummy lychees," after almost a year. Appa said, "Lychee is a seasonal fruit, so we need to wait for it." Disha could see the joy on everyone's face as they peeled and shared the delicious fruits with each other. Appa added, "But nothing to beat our local mangoes. They are so fresh because they did not have to travel far to reach us." 9. Finding fruits taste best when they are written in their season. Waiting for them increases the joy. To write. Investigation. What happens to food inside your mouth? Detective Disha was not done solving mysteries yet. What happens to food after we eat it? She wondered. She looked in the mirror, opened her mouth wide and said, "Ah." Teeth and chewing. Anna said, "We have different teeth, incisors to cut, canines to tear, premolars to crush and molars to grind." Disha wondered whether more saliva come out when you chew the food for long. And chewing properly releases saliva, which helps digest the food, he added. 10. Finding chewing food properly breaks down the food and releases saliva, which helps in digestion. 11. Finding different types of teeth have different uses. Oral hygiene. Disha was having a toothache. She visited the dentist with her parents. The doctor found a cavity, a hole in the tooth, and treated it. Rinse your mouth after eating. Brush your teeth regularly, the dentist advised. Eat fewer sweets. 12. Finding oral hygiene is important. For a dental checkup or if any of your teeth are aching, you may need to see a dentist. The danger of choking. Do not gulp down your food. Warned Amma at dinner. Chew your food properly. 13. Finding, I must eat my food slowly to avoid choking on it. Food in our body, final discovery, some microbes spoil our food while some help us to make food items. They also help us digest food. Finally, the food mystery was solved. Eat right, preserve and store right, and also chew well and thank the good microbes. Mystery solved. Detective Disha closed her notebook with a smile. Do you know? Black pepper is a common spice in our homes. In the past, black pepper had become so popular as a spice that Vasco da Gama crossed oceans to collect it from India. Do you know? Insects preserved food long before humans did. Solitary wasps, particularly hunting wasps, preserve food for their larvae. Activity 1. What items can be made from mangoes to enjoy them for longer durations? Write their names in the space given below. Activity 2. Take a tomato and cut it into slices. 2. Put the slices of tomatoes on a tray and place it on the window where the sunlight comes through. Activity 3. Find out about food preservation practices at your family by asking the elders at home. Activity 4. Do you ever accompany your elders for buying vegetables and fruits? During such visits, observe how elders select fruits and vegetables in the market. Activity 5. When you eat, try chewing each item properly till it breaks down into smaller pieces and then into mush. Thanks for